Hello everyone out there in YouTube land, it's Craig from Flying Wheels. If you haven't ever watched any of my videos before, I own a car dealership. I make money selling cars. My videos aren't just about how to sell cars. My videos are about how to run a business and how to make some money. If you guys want to make some money, click that subscribe button. Let's get started. I'll give you a few tips on how to run your business efficiently and how to make money. You don't have to own a business to make money. I know tomorrow that if I somehow, God forbid, lose my dealer's license and I'm not able to sell cars, I'll still be okay because my business model is going to be the same whether I'm selling cars, computers, Matchbox cars, whatever, it doesn't matter, it's all the same. If you're not subscribing already, click subscribe, hit that bell button down below. That'll give you a notification every time I make a new video. About something else fun today. Tell me what it is. Whoa. A Porsche Cayenne S Turbo. Buddy, you ready to give it some gas? My 1994 Dodge Viper RT10. Spider. Look out for an SVT Raptor F-150. You'll see it right behind me. Come on, just do it. Camaro ZL1 with 14,700. 2016. Hey, you're still here, and you haven't subscribed yet? Click down below on the subscribe button. Also hit that little bell. It's a notification bell. It'll give you notifications every time I make a new video. I have lots of fun. Sometimes I don't. I'll let you in on all of it. I love to hear your comments, good or bad. I'll comment back. Subscribe down below. Thanks for the support always. Adios.